Gasket ordering and installation. Note the serial and model number located on the door data plate. Measure the width of the door. Measure the height of the door. Go online to mywalkinparts.com. Doors and door hardware section. Gaskets. Choose a door gasket from the drop-down menu based on the door's width and height. Add to the cart. Go to the cart and select the number of gaskets to be ordered. Add the serial and model number in the order notes section before checking out. Review your order one more time and proceed to checkout. If your gasket looks different, your size is not listed, or if you have any questions, please contact us at parts@mywalkinparts.com. Unpack your gasket. Place the gasket on a flat surface and gently work out any kinks and twists. Before installation, the gasket should be soft and pliable. Remove the screws located at the bottom of the gasket's left and right ends. Starting at the bottom on one side of the door, gently pull the old gasket from the door track. Slowly work your way around the door until the old gasket is completely removed. Using a work cloth and a mixture of soap and warm water, clean the door track before installing the new gasket. Starting on one corner, push the dart of the new gasket into the door track. A small rubber mallet can be used to gently tap on the gasket and ensure it is seated properly into the groove of the door track. Work your way to the other side to complete the top section. Work on both sides in a similar way towards the bottom of the door. Slide your hands over the new gasket to ensure it has no ripples. Install a screw on each end to secure the gasket. Close the door and check for fitting. Stand inside the walk-in with the light off and look around the door frame for light coming through the door to ensure the gasket is making a good seal. More tips and support resources are available on our website at arcticwalkins.com.